What the fuck, bro? You can
A
fly.
lot of people do internal switches and stuff like that. But
Who's offering you his gun?
No. Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. Like what?
Wow. That's light. I don't know. I just remember getting pelted in the back with my hand up by a guy in purple.
Oh. So I'm with you, bro. With you, bro. On your right. Hit, walking out, walking out. That was a good push, bro. Hit! Good shot!
Oh, see, that's cool.
But
I thought that was just a stop.
no, that's why I like it. It's a secret HPA, bro. See?
I was wondering why it was so quiet.
I overshot you a little bit.
No, no, bro. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all, bro. That's not overshooting at all, bro.
Oh, dude, I felt like I did, to be honest.
No, no, no. You're good, bro. You're good.
No, that was like a whole, like, 5-6 shots all at once.
Nah, nah, bro. Yeah, fuck. It's gonna touch the ground. Oh, yeah. Fucking.
Yeah, you'll have to second it, but that's probably better too.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro.
Yeah, now you have flexibility. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So you'll have to tighten it, that way you can let it hang.
Yeah.
But that's probably your best way.
Good luck, bro.
Aiden, what generation are you?
I think a Hero 3 or something? Good shit. Josh, one on the ram, Josh. Hit.
Fuck, you guys love to do that.
Let me see. Mine's on, mine's on. It's working good?
Yep.
Yeah? Go ahead. Hey Cole, you drunk, buddy? You got them?
How much is it, bro?
Okay. Second floor car code, yeah?
I don't ever slow down.
Sit down.
I don't ever slow down.
Sorry, bro. Sorry. Thanks, man. Thank you. Right here. Right here.
I don't ever slow down.
Ah! Yes, buddy. Good shot. Good shot. Thanks. One out. Yeah, go.
I don't ever slow down.
Guys, the car's in the middle here.
I don't ever slow down.
They're dead. Hey. Yes, bro. I'm just following you for a second, bro. That's all. Good job, bro. Thanks, man. You start wherever?
Yeah. And then you dodge, and you come back small. You die, you come get an armpit.
Oh my god. What? So they're all chilling up there? Bella, come. It's none of these guys. Come.
Up there.
Oh shit, it's this guy. You did a good job, man. Great job.
Yeah, bro, for real.
Alright, boys, now it's on us to do the damage. Gun hit. Ah! Fuck! What the fuck is going on? Ooh. Oh. Good job, boys. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. No, you're good. Go. Keep going.
Good shit, boys. Good shit. Holy fuck.
Good shit, bro. Come up the stairs. I see fucking like 5 people laying down. I'm like,